Hello friends, and welcome to Back in Time. We all know that plants obtain their energy from the light of the sun, but did you know that there are several plants in the world that eat meat? In fact, these plants exist in such soil. Surviving for plants in such soil that is not suitable for them becomes difficult, and that's why these plants fulfill their nutrients by eating animals. Allah has also created these plants for this purpose. A system has been created. Although there are around 600 different plants present worldwide, I will tell you about some of them in this video. Friends, this plant is called the Venus flytrap. It appears to be it has long, sharp teeth. This plant easily captures its prey. If any insect, such as a fly, lands on it, so this plant automatically closes and the insect dies. Inside this plant, there is a substance similar to honey that attracts insects towards it. When insects enter it, it feels as if an animal has it closes its mouth, and then the digestive enzymes that come out from inside the plant extract all the nutrients from the insect. Friends, meet this plant called the cobra lily, because it resembles a snake in appearance. This plant is found in North America. It appears as if there are several holes inside this plant, but these holes are actually closed. In other words, this plant has deceptive features. And if any insect falls into it, it doesn't understand how to escape from here. Friends, the acid present inside this plant dissolves the insect's body, and thus, this plant completes its nutrition by consuming the insect. The name of this plant is the trigger plant. If anything touches this plant, it quickly snaps shut in a specific manner. If an insect lands on it, the insect sticks to it. Then enzymes are released from this plant. It kills this insect. This plant is found in Australia, and meet this plant called the topical pitcher. This plant is found in Southeast Asia. Friends, this plant captures mice, snakes, and occasionally it also kills small monkeys. In fact, there is a sweet substance inside this plant that animals consume as food, and then they cannot escape from here. Because this plant digests them from the inside, it is like a well with slippery walls. Friends, during the rainy season, water collects inside this plant, and if a very small monkey's baby goes inside to drink the water, it also gets trapped. That's why this plant is also called monkey cup, because it can even capture small monkeys. Afterward, this plant obtains its nutrients from these animals within the next 2 months. Friends, this plant is called sundew. You will find this plant in countries like Portugal, Morocco, and Spain. It has a sticky appearance on top, and that's why any insect that lands on it cannot escape from here. Afterward, this plant starts closing on its own, and slowly it kills the insect, extracting all the nutrients from it. This plant emits a sweet fragrance, attracting insects towards it. Friends, the name of this plant is waterwheel plant. It is also known as aldrovanda. This plant does not have roots. It floats in lakes, ponds, and similar water bodies. If any insect, such as a mosquito, lands on it, the insect gets trapped here. After that, this plant starts closing and consumes the trapped insect. Eventually, friends, from this plant, a sweet fragrance emanates, attracting insects towards it, and they unknowingly fall into it. And then these insects remain trapped inside this plant. Afterward, this plant slowly digests the trapped insect. This plant looks very beautiful in appearance. However, it is a deadly plant for insects. Friends, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next amazing video. Goodbye.